Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back with another video in the print-on-demand sites that you should be using in 2020. So today we are going to talk about Spreadshirt. Spreadshirt is my first print-on-demand site that I've ever used. So I hold them really close and dear to my heart. And I'm super excited today to show you guys this review because I have a shirt that I created on Spreadshirt around 2011, 2012 that is still in tip-top shape. And I also have one from about 2016 that is in really good shape as well. So if that is a testament of the quality that Spreadshirt continues to deliver, you should be using this site. So I am going to give you guys an overview of Spreadshirt. Spreadshirt is like a self-hosted platform, much like Teespring and TeePublic. You create a store on there, and if you haven't seen, I think I already did my how to start a print-on-demand site for Spreadshirt, showing you how to set up your Spreadshirt shop. Go ahead and watch that, but we are going to go ahead and get into this video so you guys can see these products and see an overview of the Spreadshirt website.
Is Spreadshirt's website here. You can create your personalized designs and just send it to yourself, or you can open up a shop. They always have like a sale going on, so that is a plus. You can also sell your designs in the marketplace so that other people can buy it, and when they use your design on other products, you get paid for it as well. They do have masks, they have mugs, backpacks, and other things. So you can see different spotlight collections, and it kind of tells you how, you turn your designs into profit by creating your design, uploading it, and earning money. They also have partnered with influencers. I feel like they've been doing this as long as I've known about this website. And I think you can order bulk. I think I've done that before to order bulk. Oh, but now look, Spreadshirt is on Shopify. I don't think I noticed that. So that is good. Spreadshirt print on demand. That is awesome. That is a huge, step. So it says 2-day print on demand, best prices, customized for your shop. I love it. So if I was to open up a new print on demand store, I would definitely open it with Spreadshirt and connect it to my Shopify. So it's probably taken them a long time to even do this because I feel like they stand out on their own for the most part, but they have so many, different products that will make life so much easier. And if I was you, I would definitely use Spreadshirt to design your products. So I hope you guys enjoy this overview of Spreadshirt, and let me know if you decide to use it or if you used it in the comment section down below.
3 of the shirts that I got from Spreadshirt. I ordered this shirt, I believe around 2018. I created this shirt for at the DJ A1, who is Candy Burris from Real Housewives of Atlanta and the mega group Escape. He's her DJ, and we are friends, and he started saying this word famous shit, and I had this shirt designed for him, for his business. And I got this printed again in 2018 because I did initially have one, but here is some of the quality of this shirt so you guys can see. It is a Fruit of Balloon HD cotton. So this one, I ordered this probably around 2017, 2016. It is a woman's fit shirt and has the Spreadshirt tag. So I don't know the actual brand of this shirt, but it's part of my Coins and Connections Christmas line. It just says iPhone, Wi-Fi, and my bed. And I wore this shirt a lot, but here is some of the quality of this shirt. And last but not least, y'all, this shirt has been through it all. I made this shirt for a photo shoot that we did with our family with shirts that I create, and it is Gildan Glidden Ultra Cotton 2011 2012. This shirt, oh gosh, I'm gonna dropped it off the thing. This shirt has been to 3 states: Georgia, Kansas, and now Virginia. And even though it's white, it is held up because my husband has worked in this shirt. He has done work on his truck in this shirt, or his cars. And look, the white still looks white. But look at this. It has not peeled, cracked. It does not look out of place. You can't buy that quality nowadays. Built, not bought. The quality, y'all, not cracked, not one bit. And this shirt has been washed, worked in, and probably many other things. The shirt itself may look a little raggedy now, but look, it's been what, 7 years? And this shirt is still holding on. So that is a testament of Spreadshirt's quality right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that overview of Spreadshirt. I hope you decide to use it. I hope it brings you as much joy and money as it has in my lifetime. And remember, I started Spreadshirt in 2009, so it has been around for a long time. But with all of the new print-on-demand sites that are popping up, sometimes the good ones fade to the back, but they are super faithful, and I still use them till this day, especially when other sites are not shipping as fast. Spreadshirt continues to bring the quality and the fast shipping to the print-on-demand businesses today. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Tell a friend about Spreadshirt. Tell a friend about me, and keep watching for the amazing things that I'm going to continue to bring to my channel. Make sure you check out my gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith for all of my courses and tutorials. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.